Your Bluetooth headphones are connected to Windows 11, but there's absolutely no sound, and you need that fixed now. We're diving straight into getting your audio working again by addressing the most common culprits behind this frustrating Bluetooth connected but no sound issue. First, let's verify your default audio output device, because sometimes Windows just forgets which speakers to use. We'll navigate to sound settings and make sure your headphones are selected as the primary playback device, which often resolves the problem immediately. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2, restarting Bluetooth services, as these background processes can sometimes get stuck and prevent audio from flowing correctly. For the third crucial step, we'll dive into updating your Bluetooth drivers, because outdated or corrupted drivers are a frequent cause of device malfunctions, and a simple update can unlock full functionality. Finally, if none of those steps work, we'll perform a complete repair of your Bluetooth headphones on Windows 11, essentially giving the connection a fresh start and ensuring all communication channels are clear.